All right, so here's the situation. This is not draining. So I've turned the water off here. It was over here. Now it's over here. So now the water's off. If I flush it, you'll see nothing's coming through. So now I've got to take these off. And what I'm going to try to do, see there, I've got to unhook that bolt there. And this one over here, same thing. And then I'm just going to try to shift the toilet over. What I'm trying to do is not unhook all this and just pop this off and then set it down on here. Here's the one that I needed for this. This is 7/16. So that's what's going to take those bolts off. Make sure you put it lefty-loosey. So this is already loose. You see that? So this should come right off. Now you should be able to lift that whole white piece off of there. You follow me? Just like this. Okay, now we set this over here. So we don't want to lose it, right? Set that right there. So this one's off. Now I got to get the other one out. So I just need to loosen it first. And then I should be able to just go ahead and unscrew it. Yeah, there we go. This is the hardest thing, is getting this toilet back onto these. I'm just hoping I don't have to take all these fittings off. You know, the plumbing fittings. Might have to if I have to turn it to get to put the thing on there. All right, so we got that one. Okay, you want to put these somewhere where you're not going to lose them. So I'm just going to set it right here. Got both of those there, right? So now I just got to pick the toilet up. All right, so now what we want to try to do is lift it up and get it on there. And
it's two separate pieces?
no, they're connected. So I'm thinking that,
So we can both lift and put it here.
yeah, if we go like this, just right under here.
You don't have a whole lot of room to move
No, we're
this.
just gonna slide it over.
Yeah, but
Yeah, I've got about 3 or 4 inches there. We're gonna turn it like this.
yeah, I know.
You follow me?
Yeah,
So this end, you don't pull yours that far,
yeah,
just enough to get it
Yeah.
over.
yeah.
Let's see if we gotta lift it up first though. Ready? Here we
How
go.
heavy is it?
Okay, all right, okay, pretty good. Okay,
Okay.
set it down for a second. Just lean it a little bit. Let me see where we're at.
Oh, you got room.
Oh, it's gross.
Put it this way.
Yeah, you ready?
Towards you.
Here we go.
Okay.
Okay, we're good.
Yeah.
Whew. I gotta get a mask.
Huh?
I gotta get a mask. Ugh. Here.
Maybe you have to touch stuff.
Check it out.
Your glass.
Oh my God. There's definitely water down there. We've got to try to snake that. All right, so that's it right there. That's the machine. Okay, you got to turn it on. It's the on button. Oh, we got a blue light. That must mean it's working, huh? Oh, interesting. There's the camera there, right? Oh, look.
That's
We
you.
can see ourselves. All right, that's basically just like an endoscope. It made some kind of noise. So do you feed it by hand? I guess you feed it by hand, huh?
Yeah, you gotta fit it in here.
So it just goes down. Wow, look at that. That's crazy, huh? So we're feeding it down in there. You can see this building, I think, was built in the 70s, maybe?
This is all cast iron.
Yeah. Wow, look at that.
Let me record it.
Oh, so we can see. So we'll start from the beginning. Oh, let's get some gook on the front of it. All right, so we're gonna record this. So I guess we just press record, right?
Yep.
And then you see that
Okay.
little red dot on there. That means it's recording.
Here we go.
We're going in. hand feeding it. So anyway, this is a cast iron pipe, and as he's feeding it through, you can see in the left-hand corner how many feet it is, and you can see that he's recording it with that little red dot in the middle. That lets you know that we're recording. So far, there's nothing in there.
Nothing yet. See, it's holding water here. You see it?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there's water there.
It's holding water.
So we're getting close. I guess you can see underwater, right?
Sometimes.
So at about 30 feet, we've got a what they call a soft clog.
It's right here.
And how far in there was it?
Well, right now, according to the screen, it's saying 30 feet.
Oh, 30 feet
You
in.
see it right here?
Yeah. So that lets you know how far we got to go with the
You see all this slush right there?
yeah.
That's your blockage right there.
So this is an accumulation of the toilet paper as it adheres to the side of the corroded pipe. Well, that might clear it.
Mm-hmm. What we call a soft blockage.
That's a soft blockage, huh? So basically what he's doing is he's using the head of this camera to push that toilet paper down and break that blockage up. So sometimes you can just use your camera to clean it out?
Sometimes. When it's soft like that,
Yeah. What if that's just like toilet paper or something?
it looks like it.
Oh, you'll see if the water's going through.
Right.
That's kind of important. And how far are we in right now? We're
Right there.
35 feet. So we got the sink and the shower running, and we're trying to see if the water's flowing through there. And then we'll know we've broken that clot up. So do we have flow?
It looks like it.
So you don't have to snag it?
We're gonna see.
How many feet do you have? You have like 100 feet on that, right?
On this right here, yeah, about 90.
If you need some paper towels, I've got them right behind you.
What, the camera?
Yeah, the camera and
There's
the...
a different brand.
Now, do you have to buy this yourself, or does the company give it to you?
This is the company.
Oh. See, I'm learning now. You're teaching me. You're my teacher today. 38 feet right there. Should we go deeper? 40, 41, 42. Yep. 50 feet. 54. 55, 7, almost 60
The
feet.
problem was at 30 feet where all that slush was at.
Uh-huh. Well, I knew, because it was draining, but very slowly. But, I didn't know, man, maybe if it was roots or... Seems like...
But your cast iron, I mean, it's not great, but it's not that bad. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
You still got a lot of heavy scale if you see it.
Yeah. Well, it's definitely corroding, isn't it?
Yeah, but I mean, you can expect that. I mean, from old cast iron, this will be expected.
So it seems like it's draining, huh?
It seems like it, yeah.
Now you're at like, shit, you're 74 feet in.
Right.
77. You're almost a whole 100 feet. Should we keep going? 84 feet.
Well, it's draining.
Down she goes. Now we're coming back. And so we're going way down the drain so that we can make sure that the water is actually draining out and not clogging up anywhere. So now he's pulling out the cord, and as he does that, he's kind of cleaning it off with that rag so that he can put it back on that spool. Good. We just got to put the toilet back on there. It's coming up. I see water down there, and this is all done by hand. Look at that. There's the camera. Turn it off. So I guess no matter what, you have a little bit of water because it seeks a certain level, or? Right. So we got these all running so that he can see if it's flowing out. All right, we put the toilet back on. It seems to be working. How's the shower draining?
Great. But it rained the day before too, until like the last couple minutes. It was weird.
It's not draining?
No, it's fine.
Let me see. Looks like it's draining. All right, that's what we need. I think we have a success.